So here I'm working on a 4104. It's a pretty nice looking bus. And I did my usual aluminum rims and fancy caps. What do we got? Uh-oh. 3 or 4 short there. And then do you notice anything different? I am on the passenger side of the bus. Notice it was not supposed to be there. How about that L? That L belongs on the other side. There should be an R on this side. So the hubs have been switched around on here, and just to prove it's not just one, I didn't loosen it like that asshole last week. So I think he's going to take the cheaper route and just put steel rims back on it. And then you don't have to replace the studs. So you can get a used steel rim for about $50. I still got to swap the hubs around though. But yeah, the stud hardware costs you about $20 a stud by the time you're all done, so it'll be a lot safer. And he needs new tires anyways. He was going to get new steers, and I told him if he takes this to this tire shop, chances are they won't even touch it. A, because the hubs are on the wrong side, but B, because those studs are too short too. They don't want the liability for that. So far I replaced a water pump on here. I'm just waiting. I got to get a new pipe plug for the bottom. The new one didn't come with a pipe plug, and the old one doesn't want to come out. But the new one's on. And the blower, I'm like, man, I've never seen a blower leak so much oil from everywhere. I said, in general, the engine's got some oil leaks all over it. But turns out it's got multigrade oil in it, 1540. So we're going to do an oil change on it, and that's probably going to stop some of those oil leaks too. They just don't like that oil in there. It's got gear oil in the transmission, which that's not supposed to be there either. This has a veggie oil conversion on it. He doesn't run it with veggie oil, the previous owner did. So there's a few extra things there that really need to probably get taken out. His radiator is a big monster truck radiator. It's not a traditional 4104 radiator, but it does not have a fan shroud on it, nor does it have a seal on the back side here. So when it's trying to suck air through the, the warm air gets heated as it comes through the radiator, the warm air in the engine compartment can easily wrap back around and then re-enter the radiator, and it's not having as good of an effect. So you really need to seal that off, but you really need to get a fan shroud on there. And then I gotta look and see what's going on with this, because if you look at the end of that fan blade, they're all like that. They're like ground. It's like it's been hitting something, but I don't see what it's been hitting. But something has notched off some of it, so maybe that radiator, that lower radiator hose or something down there. I don't know. It's a different radiator, so it looks like a truck radiator. So I got a little bit of work, and just checking things out, making sure it's safe for him and his family. Swapping those hubs around. He had a leaky water pump on it. That's why we're replacing it. And otherwise, I mean, so far, I pulled down the air filters. We're going to service those. There's a whole bunch of dirt in the bottom of them. They haven't done in a long time. That's not real critical stuff, but just the little things to get it up and going a little better. Make it reliable for them. They got a couple trips planned this summer. I don't think they're real far trips, but they want them to be safe and reliable. And that wheel is not. But, it's a nice bus. Let's see if I can get in here. It's painted. He's got 2 cracked windshields. That sucks. They're not horrible. Not in the line of sight. Yeah, it's a pretty bus. I love 4104s.